Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we will be continuing with lecture 2 for Material and Resources chapter for LEED Green Associate Exam Preparation. Those who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Without any further delay, let's move on to the presentation. Till now we have covered about 2 prerequisite and 2 credits in this category. In today's lecture we will cover the remaining 3 credits. They are building product disclosure and optimization, environmental product declaration with 2 points, and building product disclosure and optimization, sourcing of raw material with 2 points, then finally building product disclosure and optimization, material ingredients, again with 2 points. Now let's look on to the intent for the first credit, that is building product disclosure and optimization, environmental product declaration. The intent is to encourage the use of products and material for which life cycle information is available and that have environmentally, economically and socially preferable life cycle impact. To reward project teams for selecting products from manufacturers who have verified improved environmental life cycle impacts. There are 2 options for achieving this credit. Option 1 is Environmental Product Declaration EPD with 1 point. For achieving this option, use at least 20 different permanently installed products sourced from at least 5 different manufacturers that meet one of the disclosure criteria. 1 product specific declaration, 2 environmental product declaration which conform to ISO 14025 and EN 15804 or ISO 21930 and have at least a cradle to gate scope, and finally USGBC approved program product that comply with other USGBC approved environmental product declaration framework. So please note that here, for achieving option 1, use at least 30 different permanently installed products and it should be sourced from at least 5 different manufacturers. Option 2 is multi-attribute optimization and it can get 1 point. So for achieving option 1, use products that comply with one of the criteria below for 50% by cost of the total value of the permanently installed products in the project. Product will be valued as below: 1. Global warming potential, 2. Depletion of stratospheric ozone layer, then acidification of land and water sources, then eutrophication, then attend Green Bill 2024 in Philadelphia for number 1215 registered, then formation of tropospheric ozone, then depletion of non-renewable energy resources. And also it should be USGBC approved program, project that comply with USGBC approved multi-attribute framework. The next credit is building product disclosure and optimization, sourcing of raw material. Here also the intent is same, to encourage the use of products and materials for which life cycle information is available and that have environmentally, economically and socially preferable life cycle impact. And also the intent is to reward the project teams for selecting products verified to have been extracted or sourced in a responsible manner. So option 1 for achieving this credit is raw material source and extraction reporting and it can get up to 1 point. In short, the requirement suggests us to ensure that the selected product have self-declared or third-party verified corporate social responsibility report. Now let's read option 1. Use at least 20 different permanently installed products from at least 5 different manufacturers that have publicly released the report from their raw material suppliers, which should include 1. Raw material supplier extraction locations, 2. Commitment to long-term ecologically responsible land use, 3. Commitment to reducing environmental harms from extraction and manufacturing process. 4. Commitment to meeting applicable standard or programs that address responsible sourcing criteria voluntarily. So option 2 is leadership extraction practices, and it holds 1 point. For achieving this, use products that meet at least one of the responsible extraction criteria below for at least 20% by cost of the total value of permanently installed building products in the project. 1. Extended producer responsibility. 2. Bio-based material. 3. Wood products. 4. Material reuse. 5. Recycled content. 6. USGBC approved program or other USGBC approved program meeting leadership extraction criteria. Well, the final credit in this category is building product disclosure and optimization, material ingredients, and here also the possible points you can score is 2 points, and the intent is to encourage the use of products and materials for which life cycle information is available and that have environmentally, economically and socially preferable life cycle impact, and also to reward project teams for selecting products for which the chemical ingredient in the products are inventoried using an accepted methodology, and for selecting products verified to minimize the use of generation of harmful substances. Also to reward the raw material manufacturers who produce product verified to have improved life cycle impact. Now let's look on to the requirements. Option 1 is material ingredient reporting, and it holds 1 point. Use at least 20 different permanently installed products from at least 5 different manufacturers that use any of the following program to demonstrate the chemical inventory of the product to at least 0.1%. So the programs are 1. Manufacturer inventory, 2. Chemical abstract service registration number, 3. Health product declaration, 4. Green screen version 1.2 benchmark, 5. Cradle to cradle certified, 6. International alternative compliance path to reach optimization, 4. USGPC approved program. Option 2 is material ingredient optimization. It also holds 1 point. For this, use products that document the material ingredient optimization using the paths below for at least 25% by cost of the total value of permanently installed products in the project. 1. Green screen version 1.2 benchmark, cradle to cradle certified. 3. International alternative compliance path reach optimization. 4. USGBC approved program. So basically the products that comply with USGBC approved building product optimization criteria. So the final option is product manufacturer supply chain optimization, and it holds 1 point. For achieving this option, use building products for at least 25% by cost of total value of permanently installed products in the project that 1. Are sourced from product manufacturers who engage in validated and robust safety, health, hazard and risk program, which at a minimum document at least 99% by weight of the ingredients used to make the building products or building material. Number 2. Are sourced from products manufacturers with independent third-party verification of their supply chain. So the criteria are provided on the USGBC website. You can go to that. For the LEED Green Associate exam, we need to only highlight the concept and intents. Well, that's the end of today's lecture. We have covered all the prerequisites and credits in this category, material and resources. Tomorrow we will start a new chapter for LEED Green Associate exam. Till then, bye.